You wake up on vacay the morning after leg day. No alarm, just the sun, because again, you're on vacay. You decide to take a shower because you're feeling kind of sore, but as you open up the sliding door, you notice there's a dinosaur. All right, poem's over, but we're just getting started. If you and your family are looking to hit the road but make it feel like home, look no further than Bighorn. Not only is it great for a weekend getaway, it's got everything you need for an extended trip, rain or shine. Panoramic windows from the living, dining, and kitchen space give you more views than puppy videos, and there's an office where you can study, work, or get distracted by said puppy videos. Plenty of storage space, so there's no need for an iCloud subscription. How do you like them apples? We always talk about having nap time in the office, so we made it happen, and there's a full kitchen just a step away because nap time is always followed by snack time. Notice just how much room is in this floor plan. Work hard and play harder with the Tony Stark telescoping 4K television. Is it Jarvis compatible? Only one way to find out. Now, it's broad daylight, but even just the standard shades give you the ability to almost entirely black out the unit and cozy up by the fireplace to watch reruns of The Office like you're watching it for the first time. If you don't think The Office is funny, you're probably not very funny. The dress was blue and black, and pineapple does belong on pizza. From the time you wake up to the time you slumber, Bighorn by Heartland has got you covered.